movement of this water is absolutely critical. It's essential to the cellular survivability.
This is the little rosette that comes out in the first year, and this is the stalk that comes out from that and the flowers that come off of that. In a field or post-disaster environment, sutures are generally not preferred, and staples are generally not preferred. We want to try to allow wounds to drain, and
the mechanical functioning of the heart is based upon valves and pressures. And if you affect any of those things, either of those things, the valve, the functioning of the valve, or the pressure within the compartments of the heart, you change the physiology of cardiac output.
Both life-saving, but also are going to prevent you from doing further harm. You have to understand those before you start playing with herbs. Herbs don't substitute common sense or medical training in the case of trauma or first. All right, so that's the circulation. The sensation portion of this, I'll just stick with the foot here for the moment, but the sensation portion of this would be to actually, right, and then right next to it, kind of growing underneath here, we have another one I really like. This is Anemopsis, or
devices with the old Jamshidi needles. The Jamshidi needles are hand driven. They're not hard to put in.